Untuk PlayStation, kita ada lebih kurang 118 game PlayStation yang ada dekat sini. Jom kita tengok game apa ada. Ini Adventure of Lomax, Street Fighter EX2+, Metal Slug X, King of Fighters 99, King of Fighter 97, King of Fighters 98, Marvel vs Capcom, ni SNK Pro, Samurai Showdown, Ace Combat 2, ni Castlevania, Colony Wars, Command Conquer, Dino Crisis 2, Earthworm Jim, Inhander, Fighting Force, ISS Pro Evolution, ni game bola ni, Medal of Honor, Mega Man, Need for Speed, Enzo Fun, Parappa, Parasite Eve, Ray Crisis, Resident Evil, Blade, Striker, Tekken 3, Tenchu, The Truck Rally, Time Crisis, Vagrant Story, Wu Fang, Action Based Illustration, Star Slamming, Alandra, Armored Core, Destroyed, ATV Mania, Batman Forever, Battle Hunter, Beyond, Breath of Fire, Championship Motocross, ni tak tahu ni Chocobo, ni Mac Rally, Crash Bandicoot, Crash Bash, Dead or Alive, Donpachi, Dragon Ball GT, Final Fantasy juga ada 3 kat sini, Jax, Gunner Harmful, Harvest Moon, Kuten, Lotus, Shot, Thunder, Legend, London Racer, Macross, Miss Adventure, Hang Time, BA, Need for Speed Videli, FL ada, NHL, Ogre Battle, One Panzer, Spike, Hidden Project, Raystorm, Ready Rumble, Resident Evil pun ada lagi, Resident Evil, Racer, Frontier, Goku, ini tak tahu game apa, Silent Hill, Sim Theme Park, Sim City, Simple Character, okay, Jam, Spec Ops and Jerry, Hot Pro Skater, Top Shot, and WWF WrestleMania. PS1 ada 118 and tu je game yang ada tadi yang korang boleh nampak kan.